Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add location to Instagram Reels after posting. The first thing you're going to do is open Instagram. Once in the app, you're going to tap on your profile pic in the bottom right hand corner. Then you want to search for the reel that you would like to add location to. Next, you're going to tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner. Then select edit. And from here, you're going to tap on add location. Then you could simply search for the location that you want to add in. Once you have found the location, you can simply tap on done in the top right hand corner. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.